this is my first impression of these two interactive touch screens, and the prices are very awesome. So you can see it can be movable. These two interactive screen can be 180-degree rotatable. You can see this is one, and it can be this again. So this can be used for many purposes. You can see it has Google Play, so you can download as many applications as you want because it comes with 250 GB storage. First, we talk about the design of these two interactive screens. So as you can see, the black one, it's a bit lower, right? It cannot be adjustable, but this white one, it can be adjustable. You can move down, you can move up. You can see, look, it looks like a big smartphone. You can take this to your toilet, to your kitchen, or your bedroom as well. So it is absolutely amazing. And this one is also can be adjustable. Both can be adjustable, but I personally like the white one, this 32 inches. This is my desk, so I can work while watching some videos through this 32 inches, and I can communicate with my parents. When they call me, I can talk to them because it has 8-megapixel camera. So let's talk about the design of these two interactive. This one is black color. You can see from the back side, and the white one you can see from the back side as well. You can see both comes with two speakers. The black one, these two speakers, and the white one, the audio is absolutely amazing. The black one, 21 inches, only have one port, which is Type C, and it has the volume rockers and power up button. You can turn off or turn on the screen and nothing else. But in white, it has Type C port, Type A port, and HDMI port as well. So you can connect your PC or laptop with this screen as well. On the frame of the screen does not offer you the volume rockers, so you have to control volumes just like this. Just like this. You can see the brightness of both screens. This is 0, this is 50%, and this is 100%. And if I touch night light, you can see the differences in the colors, right? And if I touch off, it becomes like this. Beautiful. And as you can see, this one, sorry, it also has Wi-Fi. Wait a second, I talk about that later. So this is 0% of the brightness, 50%, and this is 100%. Beautiful screen. The both comes with 2K display, and this is night light. You can see the differences. This is 32 inches, beautiful big screen, and this one is 21 inches. The biggest feature of interactive touch screen is inbuilt battery. This bigger one, 32 inches, can be used about 5 hours without charging. So I have charged once. You can see these are the chargers of these two screens, but I have already charged. So the bigger one, the 32 inches, the white one, can be used about 5 hours, and the black one can be used about 3 hours. Well, this is the result from 8 megapixel. It is very decent. What else you can expect? If you want better quality, then put some more money, and the brand can put 16 megapixel or 20 megapixel. Well, you can record videos or taking photos. I just took a photo. Yeah, it's a very decent result. You can record videos. Good. And I think this is absolutely good for live streamers, you know, who love doing live streaming. Wow, a very big screen. Or you can just put behind the camera so you can see yourself. Beautiful. Let me test out the sound quality of these two interactive touch screens.
You can rely on it for long-term use. The phone has a 6000 mAh battery and with the 100-watt charger. It can be fully charged in about 30.
Now it's time for 21 inches. Soft music. You can see these two displays are very convenient to move, but it's a bit heavier from the bottom side. This stand is made of, I think, steel, but still heavy. Ooh, still a bit heavier. And this one is also a bit heavier. I cannot lift with one hand. But the stand is also made by steel, but this and the back of the screen is made by plastic, but good plastic. Basically, I didn't buy these interactive touch screens because my customer want me to test this out, and then I will dispatch this to Sydney. My customer is in Sydney and he wants me to test out, and after it's fine, he's going to buy 200 this interactive touch screen from China. So I'm just helping my customers to check out the product, and if it's okay, and then I will dispatch to my customers. And I also help them to purchase in big quantity. I also find good trusted logistic to dispatch my customers goods, because in China it's very difficult to trust people when you send the money, and you might not get the product as you expect or as you have seen in the pictures or videos. So I'm here to helping people. Alright guys, this is the first impression of these two beautiful interactive touch screens which I have used first time. So the prices are very promising. The 32 inches is about $450 and this 21 inches it's about $350. But my customer is going to buy in big quantity, so he's going to get a very good discount. So however you are going to buy anything from China and you need my help, please email me and ask me about the product or the prices so I can help you from buying from China. I hope you like my video, and you can support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you so much for your support. I will see you in the next one. Bye.